supply chain that's involved in moving a product from manufacturer's warehouse all the way to a retailer is extremely complicated. In some cases, it's the manufacturer working directly with the retailer, but that's the minority. Oftentimes, there are at least half a dozen people, half a dozen players that are involved in moving this product, whether it's the product going from manufacturer to a wholesaler or to an agent and then to a distributor and eventually making it to the retailer. So at every stage of this process, as the product is changing hands, somebody has to make sure it's the same data that's moving through the system. Somebody has to make sure the data that's coming in from all these different players is distilled, is cleansed, is available in an easily consumable format for the manufacturers. Because manufacturers rely on this data to manage their supply chain operations, whether it's forecasting for the next quarter or next year, or coming up with a rebate program that helps them move their product faster through the chain, or anything else in between. So that's where Cdsi comes into play by providing reliable, actionable intelligence to the manufacturers, to the distributors, to the agents, so that they can make decisions in a timely manner. And of course, it all helps everybody's bottom line if you can move more product through the chain. Cdsi stands for Custom Data Solutions. They are the industry leader in collecting, processing, and presenting data in the convenience services industry to a variety of players, be it a manufacturer or a broker or an agent, distributor. Anybody that's looking for data in this space relies on Cdsi to provide that information to them.
Managing the Department of Account Services is always different day to day. We work directly with the clients on their reporting needs, so we can help them. It might be navigating the website to help them build customized reports. Sometimes we're doing web trainings in general for larger groups to help them, to show them how the whole tool works and how they can use it to benefit, the information that they need to get to help drive their business. Sometimes it's just working with the data itself to make sure that everything is aligned properly for specific operator groups or corporate headquarter accounts, territory realignment. Our whole goal as a company is to be extremely customized, so that's one of our custom data solutions. That's why they call us that. So working to align all of the data to properly meet each individual CPG's needs is one of our biggest goals.
What is SEBI? Strategic Edge BI. It's not just an enhancement, it's a complete rewrite of the platform that Cdsi offers to our customers.
SEBI is more advanced. We're providing pivot grid options. The focus portion right now is actually a way for the user to get all of their information in one report, and as they're building their report, they can actually see the report as they're building it. So if they add a column for, say, current year cases, they can hit apply and they can see that, and then they can add a column for territory, region, any of that type of stuff, and they can actually apply it as they're moving forward. So that way, instead of building a report and opening it after they're all done building it and they're like, oh, I forgot to put this there and I need this, now they actually are avoiding that and we're giving it to them right there on the spot.
We are the best at what we do. We cover about 65% of the entire glass front in vending, meaning that's how many CPGs work with us, and for good reason. And we have had several of our clients for decades. We are the top in the country for the data providing and analytics for any sort of vending and micro market company.
What I can tell the operators is the fact that every single brand, every single manufacturer that we work with at Cdsi is looking to move more product, is looking to introduce new products in the same channel. And oftentimes, the conversations between the manufacturers and the operators start and end with a pricing negotiation. If you can enable those conversations through Cdsi and bring the right people to the table to make it a not just a conversation that's focused on product and pricing, but also running promotions, running campaigns, understanding the distribution of the product, how is the pricing of the product working, and being able to pull any of these levers to move more product. It's a win-win for the manufacturer and the operator. So that's what Cdsi can facilitate. That's what 365 can facilitate.